recipe question. There are lots of ways of doing this, and this is a non-calculated one today. So 20 biscuits. She wants to make 50. How much flour does she need? So I know 20 biscuits is 250 grams of flour. Now, I could do this by finding 10 and finding 50. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to find 10 by dividing by 2. So dividing by 2 gives me 125 grams. I know to make my 50 grams, I need 50 biscuits. I need 20 biscuits plus 20 biscuits plus 10 biscuits. So that is 250 for 20, 250 for another 20, plus 125. Add that up. Let's write that down. It's a non-calculator question, so I need to do my adding. 5, exchange, 625 grams. Brilliant. Thank you for revising.